me assault the chainsaw guy. She fully hit him.
Oh, God.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ashley.
Here, they want to talk to you. She's not happy right now.
I'm sorry, Ashley.
But she actually slapped him though. That's pretty awesome. Nobody mess with this chick. She will kick some ass.
Oh, wow.
Okay, hang on. Do you want to say hi? Johnjay and Rich.
Go away.
No,
Wait, Ashley.
No.
Can you wait? You don't. We're not on the phone with Johnjay and Rich anymore. Can we get a word video? Are you pissed?
I'm fucking furious.
Why are you mad? Was it funny?
Yeah, it was funny.
Do you listen to Johnjay and Rich?
Yeah, I do.
So you've heard of Chainsaw Wakeup?
Yes. I have, unfortunately.
Yeah, we say well they're not on the phone anymore, but will you say hi in the video?
No.
Johnjay and Rich, you've upset a listener.
Not happy.
All right. Good night, Ashley.